I feel free like the wind and the rain, like the smile of a child. I feel free like the birds and the trees. I'm in paradise. I'm alive. I am alive again. I feel free like the sun and the sky, like the smile of a child. I feel free like the birds and the trees. I'm alive. Flying high like a kite, I look into the mirror. I feel a fresh breath of life as I look into the mirror. I'm alive as I look into the mirror.
It was very painful when I was obese. Now freely I can do everything. Wherever I go, I can do everything. Whatever I want, I can take. Whatever I can eat. That's the main thing.
And it also improved my self-confidence, which I didn't realize that it would affect me like that. The way I talk, the way I walk, and in the sense, the way I carry, basically the way I carry myself around, you know, there's a kind of more confidence in the way I deal with people.
ಈಗ ನಾನು 35 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಜೀವನ ಹಾಳಾಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Bariatric surgery probably should be called as a metabolic surgery. That is because obesity comes with lots of complications.
Anyone with a body mass index above 35 with diseases associated with obesity like hypertension or type 2 diabetes or dyslipidemias, which is high cholesterol, these patients would qualify for a bariatric procedure. The second group of patients are those whose BMI is above 40. Now these patients with or without associated comorbid conditions would qualify for a bariatric procedure.
ಮಂಡಿ ನೋವು ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಮಂಡಿ ನೋವಿನಿಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ದೆ, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದರೂ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ಒಬೆಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
2010 170 ಕಿಲೋ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ, ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋದರೆ ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ನೋಡೋರು. ಹೋಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ರದ್ದು ಜ್ಞಾನ. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗೋದು ನನಗೆ.
And I tried a lot of dieting and all that. At one point in time, I was like, you know, it's up to me that I've got to reduce weight and all that. I lived a year on salads. Trust me, I lost only about 500 grams.
It was uncontrolled diabetes and very high blood pressure levels. Almost every day we were on very high dosage of insulin and diabetic medicines plus hypertension medications.
Being 130, 140, it is not easy to reduce in 1 year or 2 years in gymming, also in dieting. This is the one thing the obese people can do in a correct manner, and they should see a good doctor, a good surgeon for this, and a good hospital.
If you look at bariatric surgery and the results over the last 15 odd years, there's enough data in the world now to suggest that this is the only way that one can achieve 3 components. Number 1, you achieve a significant reduction in weight. When I say significant, I mean 40 kilos, 50 kilos and such. So these patients who are morbidly obese need to lose this kind of weight in order to have a healthier life after surgery. Number 2, bariatric surgery is perhaps the only way of ameliorating or reversing certain disease conditions like type 2 diabetes, like hypertension, like osteoarthritis, like high cholesterol, which are all part and parcel of morbid obesity. And number 3, if you look at these patients, 15 years down the road, 10 years down the road, you not only find a thinner individual, but you find a healthier individual.
Yeah, today I am very well and very active, and moreover that I am healthy now.
2010 15th of June ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಯಿತು ನಂದು. ಈಗ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು 20 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 21 ಡೇಸ್ 80 ಕಿಲೋ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಫುಲ್ ಫಿಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೆಂಗಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ ಥರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸಖತ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಮೊದಲು ಹಂಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ 115 kg ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ 5 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈಗ 82 kg ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೀಗೆ 2 ದಿನ 3 ದಿನಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ವೆಯ್ಟು. ನಾನು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದೆ. ಡೆಡ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಥರ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರು ನನ್ನ. ಆದರೂ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಂಚೂರು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋದು ನಂಗೆ ತಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಕಾರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಆದರೂ ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ದಿನ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಸಂತೋಷ ನನಗೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಭಗವಂತ ಒಂಥರ ಜೀವನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರುಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಜೀವನನ ನಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯನೂ ತುಂಬ ಸುಧಾರಿಸ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಶುಗರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು. ದಿನ 2 ಹೊತ್ತು 50 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳೋರು. ಇವಾಗ ಶುಗರ್ ಪೂರಾ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. BP ತುಂಬ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Bariatric surgery is not plastic surgery. It never was and never will be. Bariatric surgery brings along a lot of other benefits, a lot of health-related add-ons, which are not part and parcel of a plastic surgical procedure like liposuction. All in all, the awareness has increased. People have realized that it is not about looking good alone. It is about being able to lead a healthy life 20 years down the road after the weight loss operation. And overall, you find that more and more individuals are slowly taking the surgical option.
I would definitely say if this is going to help you, then please do take it up. I would definitely recommend this treatment. But I wouldn't say this for, without commitment it doesn't work, because I learned it the hard way.
For obese people, this is God-gifted surgery, I say.
A word of caution about the surgical option is that 1, it cannot be fast-tracked. 2, the patients have to be selected. 3, the commitment must be shown from the patient's side towards lifestyle modification. And 4, going through the surgery does not guarantee a successful result unless you show the commitment on a long term and you follow up with your surgical team on a long term.